Hey everyone, Milad here with XCare. I'm here at CPR EV Repair, bringing my personal Model Y in to do a bumper-to-bumper inspection. Our warranty's expiring in a couple weeks. The factory 4-year 50 is expiring, so taking it over to them to see maybe what needs to be done and bringing in a Tesla before I gotta pay out of pocket.
Starting off, I'll pull it into the flat bay here, and we'll start with kind of an interior check: window regulators, switches, lights, buttons, functioning of the doors, latches, trunk, hood, all that stuff. Run a thermal test and an HVAC performance test to make sure everything's operating normally, and then get it on the lift and go from there. Getting an underhood inspection done here. Remove the front trim and some of the panels. Mostly just doing the visualization under here for anything with the wiring or any of the mechanical components. We've seen rodent damage under here, so we're looking for any signs of stuff like that.
We see that a lot too with others.
Yeah, it's more common than you would think. Checking the date on the battery, just some kind of random stuff. The coolant was a little bit low, so we just top that up when we see it, and just kind of looking everything over under here, seeing if there's any issues. Sometimes pop this boot out for the wiring for the ambient air temperature sensors in here, and then we kind of get a visual and kind of poke around in here with a light. And what we're looking for is like heavy debris and contamination buildup. The front bumper has the active louvers, and when they open and this fan runs, this thing is like a vacuum for anything in the road. So I actually did one yesterday. We had found these issues when we did the inspection, and the customer paid for a radiator cleaning, which is a service we offer, and I showed her pictures afterwards. I mean, there was rocks, twigs, multiple cigarette butts. She was blown away by what I took out of there. And some are a lot worse than others. Kind of just depends on the mileage and the driving conditions and all that.
So for some additional feedback for all of you watching, if it hasn't failed, typically Tesla won't just proactively fix anything. So in the case where something's just going through some normal wear and tear, they probably won't actually help you. They'll probably just say that's by design or that's within spec, is probably what you'll hear. Otherwise, you just kind of have to wait until it fails, and if it fails before that 4-year point, or if it has some over noise, a loud noise or creaking or something of that nature, then maybe they'll actually fix it. But if it doesn't do that and it just has signs or visually, they'll probably won't even help you.
Just completed our bumper-to-bumper inspection here right before the warranty's out. Did find a few things that we can take back to Tesla and hopefully get covered under warranty. Had some play in the left rear hub here when the vehicle was up on the lift, a little bit of movement from the kind of 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock position on the tire. The aft link and compliance links up front have some rubber wearing in the bushing, so those can also be covered as well. And there's some seeping from the front drive unit axle seals, so we'll see how it goes.
Appreciate CPR EV Repair for this amazing service. Honestly, this is what you want to get. You want to have kind of a third-party look at your car, especially before you run out of warranty, just to kind of have a balance of power. Like, at least that's how I see it, right? So I'm going to go to Tesla next, see what they can get covered before this warranty expires in a couple weeks. And then right now, since it's my own personal car, of course I'm going to put XCare on it. And then if something goes wrong, I'm definitely coming back to actually help repair it. So appreciate you, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Sign out.